Check out this Buick 2021 Enclave Avenir. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 1 SP, 3.49 axle ratio, wheels, 20 aluminum with premium pearl nickel finish, 7 passenger seating, perforated leather appointed seat trim, Avenir technology package, radio, Buick infotainment sys AM/FM stereo with nav, inside rear view mirror with full camera display and front power sliding moonroof. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.